Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your iPhone into a TV remote. Let's face it, the traditional TV remote is long overdue for an upgrade. It's always running out of battery, getting lost, or becoming a toy for the kids. And let's not even talk about juggling multiple devices for different devices. But with your iPhone TV remote, those issues become a thing of the past. Meet TVRem, a free TV remote app for iPhone that transforms your iPhone into a universal remote, capable of controlling almost every TV and streaming devices that you can think of. From Samsung, Sony, and LG to Roku, Android TV, Chromecast, and Fire TV, TVRem has you covered. Getting started is super simple. Just launch the app, tap to continue through the setup, and you're immediately greeted by a sleek, user-friendly interface. Tap the connect button at the top, give the app permission to access your local network, and voila, your TV will appear right on the screen. Select your TV, confirm the connection, and in no time, you'll be in full control. With TVRem, you're not just getting basic functionality. You can control volume, pause, play, navigate menus, and even launch streaming apps like YouTube and Netflix directly from the app. But the real game changer here is typing. Say goodbye to scrolling through letters on your remote. TVRem gives you a full keyboard right on your iPhone, or even better, you can actually use voice input. If your TV supports Alexa or Google Assistant, you can command your TV with your voice. Want to open an app? Just say it. Now, if you're looking for a universal remote app that feels fresh and modern, TVRem is it. It's intuitive, easy to use, and does everything that your old remote can do and more. You'll finally be able to leave those physical remotes in the drawer, right where they belong. But let's talk about AirPlay for a second. If you have an Apple TV or an AirPlay-compatible TV, your iPhone already comes with a built-in remote. Access it from the control center, and from there you can control your Apple TV. It's simple, but keep in mind that it only works with Apple TV or a few select AirPlay-enabled TVs. And that's where TVRem takes the lead. This free TV remote control app works across a much broader range of devices. No AirPlay required. So to wrap it up, using your iPhone as a TV remote is the future, and you've got two options: the AirPlay built-in feature or TVRem. Personally though, I recommend TVRem for its versatility, ease of use, and broader capability. You don't need an AirPlay enabled TV to use it, and it packs a lot of extra features that makes controlling your TV so much easier. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.